the office of firstborn daughters. Firstborn daughters. A lot of you have asked me to go deep on firstborn daughters. A firstborn daughter, a firstborn female, is not for everyone. That's a bloodline ambassador, a firstborn daughter. Firstborn daughters carry material, they carry calling, they carry the echoes of the ancestral within them. They are custodians of the father's heart. They are never meant to leave the crawl. Even if they marry, they never leave the crawl. A firstborn daughter is worth 10 men as one. And many men don't know how to carry a firstborn female because she's too heavy. Because when you marry a firstborn female, you've married a whole bloodline on her shoulders. And that is why most firstborn female are too heavy for men, because they are called, they are cut from a different material. Their assignment is to make sure the father's house never goes down. Firstborn females need to be very specific when they date. They cannot date a lastborn. They cannot date a secondborn. Usually a firstborn female should date a firstborn female. They have acute leadership gestation. They have acute leadership focus, consistency and persistency. They are stubborn, they are resilient, they are persistent, because within their soul are the fabrics of holding family structures, family units. A firstborn female is literally worth the weight of 10 men. You've got to catch that. That is why, sir, she's too heavy for you. Because if you cannot carry a firstborn, she's not for you. Because a firstborn is literally the whole foundation of the bloodline. It's on her. The father's legacy and the ancestral legacy is built on her. Just like a firstborn son is the same with a firstborn female. The fact that she has a womb, she has twice the weight or 10 times the weight of a man. And many people don't understand or overstand the intricacies of the calling of firstborn daughters. Firstborn daughters are the first one in the firing line of being the wall of defense to the bloodline and to the family. They are a wall of defense. They are defensive. They are prone to act. And most men break what they can't enjoy. They break what they can't enhance. That is why most men don't have the mental infrastructure to handle a firstborn. It's because they're not just dealing with the firstborn. They're dealing with the tribal guardian. They are dealing with the guardians and the gatekeepers of the bloodline. Firstborn daughters, firstborn females are not for everybody. Firstborn females are prone to divorce more than the others because they are naturally born cut leaders of bloodlines. It sometimes feels like you're dating a man when you're dating a firstborn. Truth of the matter is you are not man enough for the firstborn. That's why she tastes like a man. She needs a man who's a father for her to submit as a husband. Carry that with you.